Welcome back to WJCL 22 Morning News. Time is 6:42. Thanks for waking up with us on a Wednesday morning and definitely feeling like winter time outside most areas. Look at this, into the upper 20s for some spots like in Meteorologist. Many areas about 31 to 32 degrees. Even out on the beachfront there at Hilton Head, 36. Beaufort checking in at 34 degrees. And if you think these temperatures are cold, when you factor in the wind, if you're not bundled up this morning, it's feeling more like low to mid 20s in most spots. Look at Hampton, feels like 18 degrees, feels like 24 for Beaufort down through Bluffton, and also Hilton Head running mid to upper 20s is what it feels like. Feels like 22 Savannah, even the inland areas that feels like temperature 24 to 25 degrees. Heavy coat, hats and gloves, you'll need them throughout much of the morning with those blustery conditions outside. And look at the wind forecast for today. It's not going to slacken up throughout the daytime. We'll continue seeing winds gusting right around 20 miles per hour for Hilton Head, also for Beaufort throughout the daytime. Gusty winds out of the northeast, eventually probably later today as that high pressure system moves off the mid-Atlantic coast, and the lower 48 of course is cold, but not too bad. Minneapolis 23, 25 Chicago, but coldest of the air of the country is right across the northeast. Bangor, Maine coming in at 2 degrees, and with our flow coming out of the north throughout the daytime, well, those temperatures will be below average once again this afternoon. So looking at the day planner, sunshine to start things out, but the clouds will thicken up as we go throughout the day. By lunchtime, mix of sun and clouds, and probably becoming mostly cloudy later today. Look at that daytime high. That is still below that 60-degree average. Only 54 degrees will top things off for afternoon highs. High pressure system right over the nation's capital as it moves off the mid-Atlantic coast. Our winds will shift around to more of a northeast flow, and look at all the clouds out of the coastal waters, which means these mid-level and low-level clouds will begin to roll into our area later today, and especially by tonight. I do expect those clouds to thicken up for most spots for tonight. And futurecasts will show that a cold start to the morning with that north wind. See those clouds out of the coast? They slowly creep closer to the coastal areas throughout the daytime. But one thing we'll keep out of the forecast is chances of rain. Those showers will stay over the coastal waters throughout the daytime. So we're going to see mix of sun and clouds, then becoming mostly cloudy later today, but no rain in the forecast today. And also it's looking dry for Thursday as well. 7-day forecast is showing a nice little rebound in these temperatures, closer to 70 by Friday, and most spots probably will hit 70 degrees on Saturday afternoon. Chances for showers Friday and into Saturday as a cold front will be approaching the area, and after that front moves off the coast, turning cooler once again with some chilly weather back in the forecast by early next week for Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures back up into the mid to upper 50s for highs by early next week.